G'day, Mark Bailey from JS. Today we're going to show the use of the AA18 5106 recovery machine. We'll just go through some of the use of it here. We've got this set up on this Mitsubishi Triton. It's quite high pressures in this vehicle at the moment, so we're going to recover the gas and then we're going to go through and do a regas on it. Alright, so let's have a start the pump. So the initial settings, right, we have our bottle open. I've tagged the scale so that it's on 0 or pretty close to it. Let's go again, tear that down to 0 so we know exactly what we've recovered. Right, bring the high side around to open, or the outlet around to open. I'm going to open the vacuum line on this. Right, this is going to put pressure into the inlet on the pump, and gradually open up and start receiving refrigerant from the car. Right, you'll notice that I haven't opened it up all the way just so that we make sure we don't get liquid into the recovery machine. We'll watch that, let it settle for a while. Watch our pressures here. See, coming on the high side here, you'll see it gradually dropping. Right, we're down from initial start of about 175 psi. We're now down to about 125. I'm pretty confident that I can open that up now and we shouldn't have any liquid. So we can open that all the way up and we'll just go on recovering until the low side gauge drops to 0 here. And this one pulls down to 0 or tries to pull into a vacuum. Alright, we'll come back in a sec.